Hey, it's Mark and I'm back at Skyline today. Wanted to let y'all know that this Skyline fireplace is just such a really great work of craftsmanship. In this fireplace, you will notice that there are big steel heating pipes down below. But what's even more cool is you might notice these two holes that are on top. Well, those are actually vents, and when there's a fire active in the fireplace, you turn on this switch here, it turns on a fan, and it will blow hot air into the room and give you some very effective heat if you have a fireplace going out here at Skyline on top of the hill. Y'all come see it and call me if you want to see it. Thanks.